G'day ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everyone in between. It's Matthew here again from howtoplaythesax.com. I'm enjoying playing my saxophone. I love playing my saxophone. I'm hoping that you enjoy your saxophone too. I'm lucky I've got a couple of saxophones and I've got another one in a cupboard over there, which is cool. So I really like playing my saxophone. I'm pleased that you're here to join me today because I was thinking, in a previous lesson, we were talking with Joan Jett and we were listening to how much Joan Jett loved rock and roll. Now, personally, I love rock and roll, and I know you guys like rock and roll too. Speaking of loving rock and roll, there is a band called Queen, and Queen were really good at rocking people. Queen were really good at rocking you, so I figured today we will rock you. And me, and you, and me. So, We Will Rock You by Queen. Now, again, like all the other songs that we've done, step one is to make it easy for ourselves. So please, download the cheat sheet. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Download the cheat sheet. Makes it so much easier. Again, the lyrics, sometimes I've made it easy with this version. Please, for you, if you know the song, We Will Rock You. I mean, most people know the iconic chorus. We will rock you. That's kind of fairly standard. We will rock you. It's 6 notes. Cool. They're fairly standard. But the verses, they vary for each verse. So, bear with me. How does it go? How does it go? You probably know the song, so I won't play it, but you kind of know the idea. So, firstly, the verse. What it is, let's make it easy for ourselves. There's a B at the start, no register key, B at the start, then a whole heap of C sharps. So we've got 1 B, then for the sake of the argument, let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 C sharps. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then straight back to the B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the C sharps. So it sounds like, let's slow it down. Can you try that with me? Let's just try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, cool. Again, those C sharps, they will vary as each verse goes along. So don't stress, don't get all hung up about, is there really 6 C sharps? Da, 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 ba, 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 ba. Don't get hung up about it. There's a B at the start, there's a whole heap of C sharps, then there's a B at the start and a whole heap of C sharps. Yeah, so it does that. So the B kind of symbolizes and signals the start of each line. Cool, but don't stress about the number of C sharps. Iconic chorus. How does the iconic chorus go? It goes. So those notes are E with a register key, E flat, still with a register key, C sharp, no fingers, no register key, nothing, B, C sharp, C sharp. So those notes again, E flat, C sharp, B, C sharp, C sharp. Join in with me, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Now, just as a warning, the last chorus is slightly different. Again, if you don't know the song, at the last chorus, it all goes into a bit of a guitar solo-y, guitar kind of riff. The last chorus, it sounds like it's the same idea. E flat, C sharp, B, A. Yeah, that's the last chorus. But again, when we get to it, the notes will be along the bottom. The notes are in the cheat sheet. Don't stress about that right now. Just putting it out there. Let us step into my office. Here's one I prepared earlier. We have got Queen. Notes along the bottom. So we've got our B's and our C sharps. Join in. Join in. Let's go. Are you ready? Now there's a stamp, stamp, clap. Stamp, stamp, clap at the start. Stamp, stamp, clap. 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 Ready, set, here we go. All right, back to a verse. Another chorus. Last chorus. All right, how did you go? Fantastic. I told you we would rock you. We will rock you, and we will rock me. Everyone's rocking. Everyone's being rocked. Fantastic. I'll shut up with that joke now because it's getting a little bit tired. But anyway, the point is, well done. What I'd like you to do, please, can you go back, play along with this lesson, play it loud if you like, but better yet, download the cheat sheet, crank up your stereo system, crank up your headphones. Careful with the headphones, don't crank it too loud, don't damage your ears, but crank it as loud as is comfortable, but not dangerous. Play along, play along. There's no right, all those C sharps I was talking about at the start, it doesn't matter how many there are. Play some, play what feels good to you. Freddie Mercury, Brian May, Queen are not going to hassle us because we didn't put in enough C sharps. Make it easy for yourself, have fun with it, enjoy it, make it difficult for yourself, whatever's good for you. We Will Rock You by Queen, awesome song. Thank you for joining me here today with this saxophone lesson. Again, thank you for joining me at howtoplaythesax.com, where we're all about having fun, playing saxophone, being awesome, and repeating the whole process. Thank you. My name's Matthew. I'll see you in another lesson at another time inside the members area at howtoplaythesax.com. Thanks heaps.